Hey, good day, everyone. Good morning. London of Internet Digital Lane, your trader, Tonyfx. And if this is your first time, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel because we'll be doing this regularly, and share this with your friends and family. This is the time to share with your friends and family. So before we kick off, we're going to read through some of the current situation going on in the market, and we'll be able to make our trading decisions from what we have read through. Okay, so after that, I will go over to my chart, and we can do some analysis to get some trade entries. With the ECB economic bullet, then we have the UK CBI numbers and American airline earnings. So here's what to expect for the day, guys. Sentimentally, the Bank of Japan is expected to hold interest rates sitting at unchanged on Friday. With the yen, it has dropped already a new 34-year low this week, increasing the likelihood that the bank would ease policies in their economy. For the first time in more than 3 decades, which is 30 years, the yen fell above 155 yen per dollar, raising the possibility that Japan may enter the market at this level, following a stronger than expected first quarter. But they see further indicators that the world's second largest economy would struggle to overcome the inflationary forces. Demand for Treasury remains strong as the US governor issues more than $180 billion in new paper this week, demonstrating the high yields of these short-term notes. So that's mainly the docket for this London session. Let me go over to my screen and we can continue from there. Okay, so let me notify everyone we're live. We are live. Okay. Let me notify everyone we are live so that they can join us as we analyze. Okay, fantastic. So I've done that. So what we're currently looking at now is DXY, and for DXY we see that the market is currently creating bearish structure. Okay, it is creating bearish structure, and you there is a new. It's created this low. It's created this lower high, then created this low again. So this is more of the corrective structure, what we see over here playing out here, which I anticipated that it was meant to go into this supply level before it continues to drop to the downside. I'm totally bearish for dollar. If you joined us on Sunday, you would remember when I said I'm more bearish for dollar. I'm looking for sell setups for dollar. So with that said, now this low was taken, okay, which is the low, and this was the supply level, the last the last blue candle before the drop, okay, which is more like an order block and a supply level. So currently, I anticipated that the market would head into this zone before I see any other reaction for the downside. But the market is reactive, it's not predictive, okay? So for dollar right now, I still see that there is high likelihood that the market will start selling from here down to this level, okay? The market will just start selling. And remember, we have some important news events playing out today for dollar claims, which has to do with total individuals in the United States of America who claim that they don't have jobs anymore. Let's check the calendar for today. Okay, we just had the Germany consumer confidence, what the consumers in Europe, Germany think about the economy moving forward. Are they optimistic or pessimistic? Then in London session, sorry, New York session, we have initial jobless claims. So no high impact news coming up again. After we clear this in New York session, then we focus on the Japanese interest rate decision. And if we are here, we already mentioned that they're anticipating that this will remain unchanged at 0%. We're still going to do some analysis on this interest rate decision. Meanwhile, currently for the dollar, this is what I see. Okay, let's go to the higher time frame, like the weekly time frame. Let's see if we can spot out some other levels of interest. Okay, so let me delete this. Let me delete this to make the chart clean. Okay, I already anticipated that this market will go up starting this year. Okay, so let me not make it a bit confusing for you guys. Let's stick to this current time frame. So how we usually trade mainly is, first of all, we look for areas of demand and supply. Okay, don't don't really get yourself too confused. Okay, there's a lot of traders that they always have this feeling of SMC, ICT, wave concepts, but still on point. Everybody is trading demand and supply, but in your own language and in your own view. Okay, so this is currently what I see for the DXY from this current level. It's either heads to this demand level, this supply level is the red zone, okay, and then start selling from there, or it can just continue selling to the downside from this area due to the initial jobless claims. If the initial jobless claims, okay, on dollar to go to the upside, but if we see the initial jobless claims to be lesser, okay, we can see more weakness on dollar. So with that said, let us check out the next currency pair, which is Euro USD. Euro USD. We already projected our trades for Euro USD yesterday. We created our trades for Euro USD yesterday. And for Euro USD, we anticipated that the market will come into this our zone. The market will come into this our zone. It's loading. Let's give it some time. The TradingView app is loaded. This is the number one trading platform I recommend to anyone who wants to trade the financial market, do their analysis. So I analyze the market to TradingView, then I go to my MT4, MT5 and place my trade. I don't place trade on I don't analyze the market on MT4 or MT5. Okay, I analyze the market on TradingView. So let's go to the super chart, which is loading. Let's give it some time. Okay. Please, if you have any questions, drop comment section. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section and we'll give that attention. Okay, the super chat is loading. Okay. Okay, so let's check out Euro USD. That was the next pair we had in mind to check out. Okay, so for Euro USD, it never came down into our potential zone where we wanted it to come down into. It never came down into our potential zone, which was this point. So at this area now, the market is just moving up. Okay, and based on my entry criteria, Euro is not currently respecting my entry criteria, but I know some scalpers will take the change of character. There is a change of character that has been playing out on the smaller time frame. Let me mark it out for you guys so you can see it as well. Okay, let me mark it out. So we have initial jobless claims today, and already the news shows that euro is strong. Okay, this is my own methodology of analyzing the market. Okay, everybody has their own methodology. The most important thing is print some money. Okay, make some money from the market. That's the most important thing. Okay, it's not about being right. Okay, even professionals and institutional traders in Goldman Sachs, in Wall Street, okay, they are only right about 20 to 30% of the time, and it's all based on scaling. When they are right, they scaling on their trades. Okay, so this is what I see. So this current change of character over here for scalpers, this is the change of character over here. And after that news that was announced by 7 o'clock, which is over here, we can see some traders go into the market. I'm not a scalper. I know my entry criteria, and I'm not taking the trade. I'm a sniper. I know what I'm looking for, and I'm not placing the trade until I see my trading opportunity. If I don't see my trading opportunity, I'm not taking it because this market is manipulated. Yeah, I'm not here to chase money. I'm here to analyze. And what am I looking for? I'm looking for my strategy, my entry criteria, the SMC criteria. So over here is we have this other block over here before that change of character. Okay, so the news already said that this euro is strong, and then there was this change of character. We were able to mark out this stop from the 4 hours. So from here now, we see that we have a little bit of resistance over here, supply zone. So if most people took action from from the news that just happened, they might target this resistance zone and aim for 1:3. Okay, 1:3. Their stop loss should be below this point here. This is about 5 pips stop loss, 15 pips take profit. Okay, which is about 1:3, like I said before. And this is for scalping trades. Okay, scalpers. I'm a day trader, but I know what I'm looking for in the market. My one strategy, I've been using it for over 3 years now, and it has been doing great for me, marvelous for me. So this is the trade call for you that is a scalper. I'm not taking the trade. Then I also saw GBP USD, a change of character as well. A change of character here on GBP USD. GBP USD is something that I'm quite more familiar with. Because the risk appetite in the market is quite high right now, and there was a resistance that was cleared over here. There was a resistance that was cleared over here. Okay, from yesterday. So it has used that current resistance, which is a supply level, as a demand level. Let me mark it out so you won't be confused. Okay, this is it. Let me mark it out over here. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so it broke it yesterday evening. Okay, so right now it's created a demand level instead. It's created a demand level. It created a demand level over here. Yeah, over here. This is the demand level it created for us, which it's using to create the buys into the market over here for me. Yes. So this is demand level. So from here now we have supply on the upside over here. We have supply over here. So this is the area whereby we can be able to see the markets go. This is about from this demand level up to that supply level. This is about 78 pips move. This 78 pips move. So for those who enter with a change of character, you should be in by now. And me myself, I enter with a return to an origin, to a a return to an origin, which is at this point, okay, more of a discount level. Okay, so this is where I get to enter from here. But if you're in right now, this is about a 1:3, 15 pip stop loss and 45 pips take profit. You see, we already have a massive move to about 70, 79, 70 pips move. You understand? So that's what I see currently for the market. That's what I see currently for the market. Over here. This is where my interest is to enter the trade. Okay, so I have to wait patiently. Then when the market comes back to this, we take our buys. So that's what my entry criteria is. I don't know what yours is, but you can take a buy from here for GPUSD up. Then gold. Okay, I'll not discuss about gold here. Let me discuss about Euro AUD. AUD was quite strong yesterday. Okay, so currently on Euro AUD, this is what I see. We have a demand level over here for Euro AUD. We have a demand level over here. And the market has had a change of character to the upside. Okay, after this change of character was created to the upside, there is some bullish movement, okay, bullish structure playing out right now. But there was an order, let me say more like an origin that was not filled. Yes, there was an origin that was not filled. So this is the demand level. This is demand level over here for Euro AUD. And if you can remember, Euro got a positive news and it is quite strong now. So what I anticipate right now is that this market will come back to this origin. Okay. And I sense that AED is one of the strong currencies for today. So when the market comes back to this origin, okay, then we can now see some push to the upside, massive push to the upside, okay, from this origin to the to the take profit level. Okay, I'm a conservative trader. Okay, I have patience a lot for the market. I have a lot of patience. Okay, so this is what I expect the market to do, to come back to this order. Okay, there was a change of character over here. This was the this was the Judas swing, the last sell stop that was fulfilled. Then the market got back to this demand level. Okay, after it did that, there was a change of character over here, but it never fulfilled this order block. Okay, this change of character came back, fulfilled this efficiency, then moved up. Okay, the market never came back into here, but I can see that the market could likely use this price cap or optimization zone. Yes, it could use this price cap or optimization zone. We have a optimization zone over here. Yes, this is something else I suspect, because I've been seeing that the market is currently ranging. Okay, after the Asia session, it's currently ranging, and it's still resting on this support level. And for me, I can anticipate, yeah, the market could still push up, but I want to be more conservative. I want to be more patient. Okay, my own bias is I want the market to come back into this other block over here, fulfill this efficiency, because this is unfulfilled efficiency, and then from here we can now push to the upside for Euro AUD. You see, there is no much movement on Euro AUD, although Euro was spotted to be one of the strong currencies for today due to the news we just had. We just had news, consumer confidence for Germany. Okay, so that's what I see currently for the market. That's what I see currently for the market. Then let us round up by checking out some JPY pairs. Okay, JPY pairs, and I'll do some fundamental breakdown for you guys to wrap up this JPY pairs for tomorrow. Let me start with the daily time frame, because the market is currently soaring higher and higher and higher. Woo! Okay, then it's at a 35-year low. Japanese yen at a 35-year low. At a 35-year low. Okay, back to back, just kept moving up and up. Let me delete this. It's messy. Okay, so let me see on the weekly time frame. There is nothing at all. Just it keeps going up and up and up. Am I going to see any significant turning points? Any significant turning points? Thank you. Found the significant turning points on USD JPY on the weekly time frame. Wow, this pair is as old as time can tell you. It's very old. So a significant turning point has been found on USD JPY. And let me spot out that significant turning points. These for swing traders entry criteria. So I spot out this resistance. Okay, I need to get the body, just the body, and you can imagine this little drawing I'm giving you over here could be about 50 to 100 pips. So because this is the weekly time frame. Okay, fantastic, very fantastic. Okay, let me extend it to the end. Okay, let me close out these charts and get more space. Okay, I hope you're getting value. If you're getting value, please smash that like button. Smash that like button. Yes, that's it. So this is a significant turning point, and let me clone that. Well, before I clone that, let me make it this color. Okay, so let me clone. See if I can spot another significant turning point. There was a significant turning point over here. It just has few touches. I want a significant point. A significant point. Give me a significant point, okay? So when I mean significant points, what I mean that the market touched here and started selling. Okay, so there's high likelihood that when the market gets here again, it will start selling. Then over here, the market touched it, and then started selling. The market came back into here, had a little spike to the upside, then started selling. Over here, the market came over here, touched it, and then started buying to the upside. So that's what I mean when I say significant turning point. Then let me clone and get another area. Okay, fantastic. Over here, we have this area support and a significant turning point to the upside. Support, significant turning point to the upside. Then over here, we have a significant turning point to the downside. A significant turning point from here to the upside. Okay, so this is what I see for this current significant turning point. Let me move this. Okay, so this is what I see currently. Let me go to the daily time frame as well. Let me see if I can spot some points at the daily time frame. Wow. Since January, the dollar has been strong against the yen. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. So over here now, this is an area or a zone to consider. Why? Because the market came all the way from here, this bullish structure, got to this level and reversed, started building momentum again, got to this area and came back into this zone, tested it and then moved up, broke it, and now is moving up to this zone. So that's what I see currently for the JPY pair. Okay, so with that said, now let me adjust this properly, and I will symbol this as daily validation point. So with that said, now let me go down to the solar time frame, which is H4. Okay, interesting. So on the H4, the market has been just moving to the upside, massive, moving to the upside massively. Even as other pairs, major pairs are pushing USD, okay, JPY is not able to do the same. So with that said, I see the market moving towards this weekly resistance before there will be major sell-offs. And I would like to check out the reaction of the market after a Bank of Japan interest rate decision was left unchanged. Yes, and that could be the last point I would like to make it to you guys. Okay, so let me go to the history. Let me go to the history. A lot of sentiment is saying sell USD JPY, sell GP JPY, sell Euro JPY, sell AUD JPY, sell CAD JPY, sell NZD JPY, sell CHF JPY. Everybody wants to sell, but the market keeps going up and up and up. Okay, so I just want this data history. Okay, history. Thank you. So the last time we had the interest rate decision done was on March 19th, 2024 by 4 a.m. West African time, and the previous was 0 - 0.1, and the consensus was 0, and it was changed to 0. That was the first time interest rate decision was changed to 0. Let us see what actually happened when the interest rate was changed to 0 at March 19th, 2024, 4 a.m. with USD JPY. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Okay, then let's go to March. Okay, April, March. Then let's go to 19th. Let's go to 19th, 4 a.m. 4 a.m. and I go to that. Okay, so where is the candle? March 19th, 4 a.m. I want you to spot it for me. Come on, do your job, software. It doesn't want to spot it for me, but based on what I can see. Okay, this is it. It spotted it now. This is it. So after that interest rate was changed to 0%, which we're already getting some feeds that the interest rate will become 0% again, okay, by tomorrow 4 a.m. because you can see previously this interest rate here is 0%, consensus 0%. Okay, so if it is left at 0%, there's high chances that Japanese yen will still be weak. Okay, I was anticipating that this would be the manipulation we needed. But if unfortunately we get something like 1%, okay, still on still, that's still going to make the currency to be weak. To be honest, Japanese yen is massively weak, and based on our top-down analysis we just did on the weekly time frame, we see a significant turning point way above. Let me show you. Yeah, over here. Okay, that's about 159. Let's give it a significant point, 160. Sorry for the break in network transmission. I lost internet connection for a while. So I still expecting that this could go higher. Okay, based on our top-down analysis, we check out on the weekly. This is the significant turning point. We checked back in 1988 or so. This is a significant turning point. Then on the daily time frame, this is also a significant turning point where we saw selling and it was resisted over here. So from here now, you can still see more push to the upside for Japanese yen. And since this year, January, okay, January, okay, the market has just been going up. Even yeah, since January 1st, the market has been going up. USD against Japanese yen. Okay, so this is what I see currently for the yen pair USJPY. Even if the interest rate is still 0% by 4 a.m., the pair is still going to be weak. So our advice to look for your buy setups only for USJPY. Look for your buy setups only. Okay, so if you see any buy opportunity, go for it. Just like gold right now. So any corrective structure, any little corrective structure, you see there is no massive strength. Any little corrective structure, the market still continues buying. Any little corrective structure, the market still continues buying. But whenever this is going to reverse, whenever there's going to be a manipulation, it's going to be big. So I already called out the trades I spotted for today. Okay, I already called out the trades on my list, and the trades is Euro USD, Euro USD. I spotted Euro USD. I spotted Euro AUD. I spotted GBP USD. I think Euro USD has completed the targets, and I called out the trade here. Euro USD, GP USD, and yes, so this was the trade for Euro USD. As soon as the news was done by 7 o'clock and the news was positive for Euro USD, we had a 5 pip. This was a scalp trade, 5 pips stop loss, and 15 pips take profit. Then over here for GBP USD, the GP USD, it's currently inside the resistance zone. GBP USD as well, a change of character. There was a change of character. Okay, so the market had a change of character. That was when the market started pushing to the upside massively. So from the change of character, which is over here, but I was like, if the market came into this zone, this demand zone, then we can see more buy opportunities. But the market is not interested with the return to origin. So this is the trade: 15 pips take stop loss, 45 pips take profits, and we have about a 78 pips move to the supply level, which is more of the resistance. So this is you can just, when you get it, you can take 70% off. Okay, when it gets to TP3, which is 45 pips, you can take 70% off, put your trade in break even, and leave the market to run. Then for Euro AUD, which is the third trade, I told you guys that I see two things here on Euro AUD, and split a buy setup. But one thing is currently hindering the trade execution, which is this reoptimization zone. I see this reoptimization zone, which was this is a supply level that is currently turned into demand. Okay, so if this zone is broken, you must satisfy taking the shorts from here. Sorry, the longs from here. Okay, I will not satisfy taking longs from here. Although Euro has been declared strong today, but due to AUD has the strong momentum more than Euro, that's why we're not seeing much movement for Euro AUD to the upside. Okay, so if the market still comes down here, Euro AUD, I'll be much comfortable to buy this conservatively and then take profit to the upside. The stop loss is 20 pips, take profit is 60 pips. So thank you so much. I think I've been able to do justice. Chukwuka, thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for sharing Forex. Please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions before we round up, oh man, did I say you are not seeing the screen and you kept mute? You are just looking at my face. You are just looking at my face. The display is still not the screen is currently loading. Okay, so this is the trade I was explaining. I told you that Euro AUD. Okay, over here at Euro AUD, we see this is a reoptimization zone, and the market could hold from here and start pushing up. Okay, but due to AUD has strength more than Euro, I see conservatively it could still come back into this zone and start pushing to the upside. That's what I see. Then for GBP USD, I already called out the trade for GBP USD. As soon as 7 o'clock today, we saw a change of character in the market. Okay, we saw an ascending wedge and a change of character was created as well. So this was the entry for GBP USD over here. Is a 15 pips stop loss plus 5 pips take profit, and we can see that the next supply level is about I think 78 pips. So as soon as the change of character played out, okay, a lot of guys, I told you guys buy this. I told you buy this by 7 o'clock. The news also announced by 7 o'clock on Euro that Euro was strong. So I told you guys buy this 15 pips stop loss, 45 pips take profits, okay? And the market has been moving quite wonderful. So if the thing gets to TP3, you can take 70% off and put your stop loss at break even, okay, and let the market run, because it's still going to get to that 78 pips, 78 pips supply level. This is a supply level, but they will still market doesn't move in one direction now. It will be fractal. You understand? It will just create lower highs and lower lows. Sorry, lower swing highs and swing lows. So the next we also spotted was Euro USD, and I believe it must have completed the target. This was a scalp trade, okay? A 5 pips stop loss and a 15 pips take profit. Okay. So over here is as soon as 7 o'clock, we got the news by 7 o'clock, and it was positive for Euro. So you guys you can buy, yeah, this was the 7 o'clock candle, okay, and it was positive for Euro. We had a change of character over here. For early buyers, you have gotten the change of character over here. So we have the 5 pips stop loss, 15 pips take profit into this supply level. That was why I told you guys take it at the supply level. And when you get here, just close the market. Unlike GPUSD trade, close the market. So that was the trade pairs I broke down. I also broke down the USD JPY. Okay, we have news coming out by 4 a.m. USD JPY interest rate decision by 4 a.m. And I read this morning that they're anticipating that this interest rate will be left at 0%. And I did some track recording, because the last interest rate was changed from minus 0.1% to 0% on March 18th this year. That was when interest rate was changed from minus 0.1% to 0%. It was an increase. Okay, so after the increase was implemented on USD JPY, dollar was still strong. Okay, let me go to that date. On USD JPY, dollar was still strong, and Japanese yen is still weak. Okay, so what their government is currently saying that they will ease policies in their economy, not really that they will manipulate the chart, but they will ease policy. So this was by 4 o'clock on 19th when the interest rate was changed to minus 0.1% to 0%. The market bought massively that day for USD JPY. It bought very well. So that's what I see currently for the USD against the Japanese yen. I see that when the interest rate is still left at that 0%, they want to leave it. It will still buy. And if you check out this daily time frame over here, we have uh, we have this resistance over here. Okay, and this is the weekly significant point whereby market can follow from here and start selling. So that's what I see currently for the market. And we have also New York session, initial jobless claims and goods trade balance for the dollar. And if this shows signs of weakness, then we can still see more push to the upside for Euro USD and GBP USD. Okay, so that's what I see. But for USD JPY, any corrective structure you see, buy. Any corrective structure you see, buy. Any corrective structure you see, buy. So that's what I see currently. So thank you so much. I hope that this TP has smashed for Euro USD. For you that took the trade, congratulations, congratulations. Like I told you, I'm not a scalper. Okay, I know my entry criteria and I know my entry setups. I called out this trade because I knew that it's a profitable trade. I see the trading opportunity. Okay, but I know my entry criteria. So currently it's coming down a bit. It's coming down a bit, but like I told you guys, this was meant to be a 5 pips stop loss, 15 pips take profit. It could have completed it as soon as we got the news by 7 o'clock. That's when the trade was taken. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time to learn. Do have a profitable trading week. Peace.